So, Clovis, Fresno?
Clovis.
We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new trim kit. This is the old OX9 fixture valve that's sitting in there. It's got the Avante cartridge, and this is an exterior wall. So we had originally talked to the homeowner about just putting a new valve in, new trim, all that, but the only way is through tile or through stucco, and it's just both. It's a bear of a project, very expensive. So what we did is we found a little company that duplicates the old fixture cover plate. This was all the old polished brass, popular in the 80s and 90s. So now it's all oiled with bronze. So that kit comes separately from a manufacturer. The rest of it, the tub spout, and of course the shower head, came with a full kit from Delta. It's a peerless product, and so that's one of their more popular items in oil rub bronze. And then of course the waste and overflow kit. You can get these straight out of Home Depot. We picked it up on Amazon just so everything can get shipped same time. So it's all installed. Run plenty of water down there. Everything's hooked up correctly. We did silicone a little bit around the edges, all the way down beyond 180 degrees, down past here. We just like to make sure no water gets in behind. It does have a large rubber gasket there, but when you get a grout line, it just sneaks past it, things like that. Same thing with the spout where it comes out, just siliconed in. So let's get it 24 hours, that'll be dry. It's sticky enough to where water will roll off it, but don't wipe that right now because you'll wipe that out. And then of course new putty down in the drain assembly. It does have all new shower heads are low flow, so it does have a little restrictor in there. Feel free to do what you want. We can't do anything with it, but I imagine you pull that out of there, you get a full 3 gallons a minute, plenty of room. Just probably want to get some grab bars in here so it doesn't blow you out of the shower. Anyways, everything looks good outside of that. This installation is done.